Let's get the girls ready for bed. Look who came inside. We have a new addition. This is the failed attempt at the koi pond. And 20-gallon tank. And they're getting used to it. They're a little jumpy still. But they're happy. Well, I hear my friend. Where's he at? Well, there he is. Hi, bud. Hi, beautiful boy. How you doing? All right, time out. Got to spend some time with my friend here. So if you haven't done so, I'd appreciate it if you'd go over to the, either if you have Instagram or YouTube, same name, David Gantz 2. Follow me over there. Something sketchy going on with TikTok. I just don't know what it is. I enjoy the platform, but it's just getting weird. David Gantz 2. All three of them. Interesting. Well, hello, ladies. Bark, 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 bark. Look at these beautiful ladies here. There's a video pinned to the top of my profile. Another chili oil. If you guys like the Chinese chili oil, it was an Asian style. I did a Mexican style chili oil today. Delicious. I believe they call it salsa matcha. Pretty dang good. What's up, guys? Okay, I see you down there. All right. Let's scoop the poop. Get some eggs. Let me scoop the poop first. Change has got them all confused. They'll get over it like they did last year. Let's get some eggs. Oh, we got a fairy egg. Another one. But it counts. That's 2. That's 4. That's 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Again. We had 9 yesterday, guys. I got called into work yesterday to handle a situation for about 3 hours, 4 hours. So it threw me off. So they didn't get their probiotic yogurt. What's this? Oh, soft shell. Let's get rid of that. So technically 10. Excuse me, dude. Of course, Mr. Griffin is going to go over and eat it. Meow. I need to stop and get treats for my buddy here. This is the last of it. I will have to improvise for the morning. You still got some there, mister. You still got some there. Such a beautiful boy. My sick boy. Ladies. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, 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 bark. Bark, bark, bark. Yep, there's my broody hen. Tomorrow she gets kicked out into timeout for the 200 millionth time. There you go, Mama. I saved you some. I always save you some. So we have learned with her, do not get the wrong treats. You get the ones with the full kernels, or you go back and do it again. Huh, Mamas? It's my special one. There you go. Let's go evict. Let's go evict the hog. There you go. Yeah, she'll go in timeout tomorrow for a couple of days. She's used to it. Yep, we got one. So even though I got called in yesterday, well, I volunteered. Well, I went in. We had to take care of some business. The only thing I didn't get done was stacking the firewood, which is an irritant. I'm going to work on it as soon as I get home. I'll probably go in early, get off early, so I can come home and try to get at least half of it cut back, making it easier to park my car. But the koi pond's done, and we do have firewood. I just throwing everything away. Koi pond's been washed out and turned over for now. Do it next year. So don't forget to look up that Mexican chili oil, the salsa matcha. It came out really delicious. It's like a thick chili. Not chili like as in bean chili, but like a salsa. It's really delicious. On that note, I'm going to go out and pet my kitty for a little bit. God, I got all these dishes to put away. I had fun. On that note, y'all stay safe. Have an amazing week ahead.